To create a TikTok shop for live selling, start by setting up a TikTok business account, which will give you access to the shopping feature. Go to your profile, tap the three dots, and select Manage Account. Then switch to Business Account. Next, apply for TikTok Shop by going to the Business Suite, clicking on the Shopping tab, and tapping Apply for TikTok Shop. You will need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your store name and address. Once your TikTok shop is approved, you can start adding products to your catalog. To do this, go to the Business Suite, click on the Shopping tab, and select Add Product. You can add product images, descriptions, and prices, and also set up product variations and shipping options. To start live selling, go to the Create page and select Live Stream. You can then choose the products you want to feature in your live stream and start selling. During the live stream, you can interact with your customers, answer their questions, and provide them with exclusive discounts and promotions. To make your live selling experience more engaging, use high-quality equipment, such as a good camera and microphone, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can also use TikTok's built-in features, such as polls, quizzes, and Q&A sessions, to interact with your customers and increase engagement. To promote your live selling stream, use relevant hashtags, tag relevant accounts, and post about your live stream on your other social media channels. You can also offer exclusive discounts and promotions to your customers to encourage them to tune in. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful TikTok shop for live selling and reach a large and engaged audience. Remember to always follow TikTok's guidelines and policies, and to provide high-quality products and customer service to your customers.